So I danced in Sweetie Theatre drama. So that I thought, just to begin with, I think one dance is enough. And
He's
then
a
I was-
brilliant dancer.
He's a fab
Crazy
dancer.
dancer.
He
Yeah.
picked this
Thank you,
step
thank
up
you.
so fast. I'm amazed.
मैं तो अपना
No, but
डांस
the-
करके भूल चुका हूँ. इसने pick up कर लिया.
No, but the situation is such in the film that I can't be in this song. When they were doing this, I was somewhere trying to sell my sarees to all the Bhabijis.
Kriti and Ayushman, how much did you enjoy being a part of this song? And you know, it's a very peppy number as well. So how was it?
We were shooting throughout the night and there was a bit of a bummer. रात को नींद आ रही थी मुझे फिर मैं डांस कर रहा था. But Kriti did a great job in the song. So I was learning the hook step on stage, on the spot. वहाँ पे मैंने कर दिया. अब मेरे को खुद याद नहीं hook step मैंने कैसे किया था वहाँ पे. But
मैं
it's
इसको
really good
पीछे
fun.
याद दिला रही थी अभी यहाँ पर
हाँ,
हम
backstage we
rehearsal
were
कर रहे थे.
practicing again.
And Ayushman, we all love you. Your songs have been a very big hit. So are we expecting a song from you also very soon in this movie?
Yeah, I've sung one version of Nazam Nazam and I recorded it last night, so it'll be coming out soon.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. A big hand for Vayu and Tanishq for this song. They've done a great
Yeah, I
job.
think
The composer.
I
has
really
said
want to
this.
say that this song has a very peppy and a catchy tune to it, I feel. And it's like that Shadi wala gana. And also, this is a song basically, Bitti जो है, उसके बिना बरेली का कोई संगीत नहीं होता है. तो शी इज द वन जो हर संगीत में जान डालती है. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों की भी कोई ना कोई ऐसी एक फ्रेंड होगी जो हर संगीत में, हर बर्थडे पार्टी में उसको डांस करवाते हैं. So she is the person. And as you see, because she loves breakdancing, she's not someone who's trained, but she copies, from videos. So MJ steps have been incorporated in a twist Kamaria style. I think Bosco, has done, he'll kill me if I call him sir. He has done such a fab job. I like the fact that he kept it still very, candid. And like, there are kids, there are uncle aunties, there are old people, there are my mummy daddy who dance so well. And still he's incorporated that bit of bitti in it. Keeping that MJ thing in mind. And yeah, I hope you guys like the song.
Made me jump a lot. The boss ने मुझे Costco बना दिया.
Rajkumar over here, towards here, over here.
Hey, hi.
This film shows you in a very different avatar. We have not seen you in a character like this ever. So how much did you enjoy being in this space, this side of cinema?
I absolutely love whatever I do here. And that's what I try as an actor, to try and do different things in every film. Otherwise it gets very boring for me as an actor. Then what's the point of doing it? So that's what when Nitesh sir narrated me the script and when Ashwini told me about the story, I was damn excited. I thought this is a character which is very unique, very special. And to show these two different personality traits in one film, it was something that I have never even thought of doing it earlier.
Kriti, one last question from my side. You talked about MJ and his moves. Your first film was with Tiger, who's himself a very big fan of MJ. So any tips or anything, did you call him up and say, this is inspired by MJ? Because he did Munna Michael as well.
I know. No, I didn't call him because I was not supposed to be actually a professional. He is a professional dancer. Means if I do an MJ step badly, he'll be the first person who'll call me and tell me, what have you done? But thankfully, it's Bitti. She's not trained. Please understand that. She does break dance on her own. She's a good dancer. But she, you'll see in the film also that she copies videos. Like she's trying to do it by just catching it through the videos. So there are people who don't have the training and stuff and who don't have the access to, learning all these things. But they're still interested and they do it their own way.
Like most of the girls, especially in small town, that's how even I learned dancing, just by looking at a lot of actors dancing.
Rajkumar, Justin here towards your right, slightly here.
Hey.
Hi. Rajkumar, considering the image that you have of
Just 1 second. Guys, can we be, I know it's free alcohol, but just can you be a little quieter here? Yeah.
और इसकी mic की volume बढ़ा दो कोई please.
Yeah, considering that the image that you have of the superstar of the alternate cinema, is there a regret that perhaps not many mainstream filmmakers tapped the dancer in you or perhaps offered you the quintessential dancing on the train roles?
No, man, I always wanted to be an actor. An actor is supposed to act. And then you can do whatever you want to do with your acting. You can add your 8-pack, 6-pack, dancing, good savari. So I thought, let me just do my acting bit first properly, which I'm still learning and exploring. And then if somebody wants me to dance, probably I can give them that as well. But I want to establish myself as an actor first.
But you're open to stuff like this. I mean, you're not condescending.
No, I'm
to it.
absolutely open. Of course, if somebody, I love dancing. If somebody wants me to dance, I would just go and jump, start dancing. You play that song again, I'll start again. It's in my body.
Kriti. Yes, Kriti. Hi, Nashmi
Hi,
Nair
hi.
from Bollywood Times. So Kriti, दोनों song काफी popular अभी हो जाएंगे. ये वाला तो काफी पसंद आया. But then there's Sweetie का drama and this one. So which is your favorite and which one did you like most? You know, enjoyed.
Listen, now this is a very tricky question. Yeah, it's like a trick question. I love both. I think both have this different catchy tune that you know. मैं एक गाना सुनूंगी तो मैं पूरा दिन थोड़ी at least थोड़े घंटे तक मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना रहेगा. But I think maybe I liked Twist a little more considering it's you know it's that शादी and संगीत and I'm someone जिसको बस बहाना चाहिए डांस करने का तो आप मुझे कहीं पे भी डाल दो and also I had not attended a wedding since a very long time so I was missing dancing on barat and dhol and all of that so ये मुझे एक मौका मिला and they were like ये संगीत है तुम समझ लो तुम शादी में आई हो करो डांस.
All right, thank you.
वंडरफुल एंड आपने जो एक वो डायलॉग बोला यार, कुल्ले पे डिंपल निकाल देंगे, इसमें आपका जो ट्रांजिशन दिखाई दिया,
कुल्ले पे नहीं कूले पे.
कूले पे
What is kulle?
कूले पे डिंपल.
पंजाबी कुल्ला आपका?
तो पंजाबी आ जाते हैं मेरे इसमें.
ये पंजाबी कूले नहीं
वो
होते.
यार मतलब वो मैंने
कुछ
सोचा
होता
कि विजुअली अगर मैं इमेजिन करूँ कूले पे डिंपल कैसे निकल सकता है तो बहुत ही फनी सा एक विजुअल आया मेरे दिमाग में. So that's where this dialogue came from. So what you want me to say the line?
यस.
सुन बे
तुम सुनो बे, आज के बाद गलत टाइम पे फोन किया ना तो ऐसी लात मारेंगे कूले पे डिंपल निकाल देंगे तुम्हारे. फोन काट.
Hi Ayushman, hi Kriti. Here.
हाय
Towards your right.
हाय.
हाय.
हाल ही में आप दोनों ने कृति और आयुष्मान आप दोनों ने हाल ही में एक शादी में गेट क्रैश किया था और डांस किया था. वो वीडियो काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ था. उस एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और रियल लाइफ में भी क्या कभी आप लोग ने कोई शादी को गेट
यार
क्रैश
हमने किया है रियल लाइफ में. मैंने किया गेट क्रैश.
एक
राजकुमार ने
दो
किया रियल
मतलब
लाइफ
एक
में.
रात में दो शादियां.
हाँ, बचपन में जहाँ पे खाना पसंद नहीं आया दूसरे में चले जाते थे. यहाँ के स्वीटिश पसंद नहीं है वहाँ चले
गोलगप्पे यहाँ
जाते थे.
खाएंगे, गुलाब जामुन वहाँ
तो वी
खाएंगे.
आर लाइक प्रोफेशनल गेट क्रैशर्स. बहुत बार गेट क्रैश किया लेकिन कृति ने पहली बार किया और एज
मेरा-
एक्टर पहली बार मैंने किया था.
देखो लड़कियां वैसे ही गेट क्रैश कम करती हैं ऐसी हरकतें करती नहीं है लड़कियां. अच्छा खाना मिल जाता है घर पे और
Excuse me,
हमारे खाने भी अच्छा मिलता था.
आपको
घर
लगता है
पे.
हमारी रोटियों में
अच्छा,
घी
ठीक
नहीं
है.
होता था?
क्या?
मैं हॉस्टल में नहीं रही हूँ तो मैंने ऐसी हरकतें नहीं करी हैं.
यार सिर्फ हॉस्टल में रह के नहीं होती है वैसे.
यार घर का खाना छोड़ के क्यों?
अरे मस्ती कर रहे हैं 10 लोग
Guys, हम लोग आपस में क्यों लड़ रहे हैं?
ओके. मेरा ये फर्स्ट टाइम था लेकिन मैंने इन लोगों को भी बोला था कि तुम लोग जाते होगे खाना खा के खिसक जाते होगे. यहाँ पे हमने जाके अनाउंस किया कि हम गेट क्रैश कर रहे हैं. सो इट वाज अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. आई वाज फर्स्टली लिटिल नर्वस. मुझे लग रहा था कि यार सरप्राइज ही हो, शॉक ना हो जाए और खुश रहें. And the bride and groom were really pleasantly surprised and they were very happy. And their whole family, their moms, there was this one girl who knew the steps by heart of Sweetie Tera Drama. तो शुरू में मुझे लग रहा था मैं उसे सिखा रही हूँ पर ऐसा पता चला कि वो मुझे सिखा रही थी. But we had a lot of fun. I didn't want the music to stop. The marketing team had to drag us out.
I think if you accepted that, great crash is a lot of fun. जब तक आपको कोई निकाल ना दे वहाँ से. Thankfully आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ ना बचपन में ना अभी.
Hi Kriti.
राजकुमार
Hi.